tabletop exercise, which is something that is incredibly important for our preparedness when it comes to our emergency response. There are processes that needs to be looked over. There are things that needs to be adjusted. So we are able to respond as best as possible on an emergency in the future.
This is our new Emergency Operations Center. We have a new structure, and in the new structure we included as well the emergency support functions.
The idea is that we wanted to give enough time for each of the discussion points for you to be able to really dive into it. What we want you to do is to feel safe in bringing up an issue. If you see there is a lapse, you need a resource that doesn't currently exist, bring it up now, not when this scenario is actually hitting the airport. And there's no right or wrong answers.